All right, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of importing student course data. So this will be at the end of each semester, so we can upload um, the course, every course each student took, who taught that course, what semester they took that in, and the credits earned, as well as their letter grade. This is going to help when it comes to setting up our plan of studies. This information will allow to tell if students meet certain prerequisites or not. So first thing is downloading information from Admin Plus. Work with Christy on doing this, but we need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different columns. The first column is going to be the student ID. Again, you can get this from Christy, just straight up the student's unique ID from Admin Plus. And the next column is going to be the course ID. Student courses that they are in, when you see them there, they will have a section number with it. We don't need the section number. So the section number is 6 characters long. We actually only want 4 characters long. So there should not be an O1 or O2 at the end of this number. Grade level taken. So this is just what year did they take that class. This is important. When I've been importing things by class, so I do all the freshmen together and all those juniors, sophomores together, and all the juniors together, just because that's easier to keep things in line. You can import them all at the same time. Here, term, I think how Admin Plus spits this out is SEM1. Just change it to S1. That's how they want it. Course name, again, that's from Admin Plus. Teacher, we'll talk more about this once we get there, but something to look at as teachers. They have to match because we have to map fields together. So the important thing here is looking at Osborne Elizabeth with Coco. We're actually going to change all of those just to Osborne Elizabeth. And I'll show you why in a little bit. So I can just do a quick replace. And I'm going to delete this out. I'm literally just going to copy and paste here so we can make sure everything stays exactly the same. So I'm finding that. I'm replacing it with just Osborne Elizabeth. And notice there's a space here. Make sure you get rid of that space as well because that's going to be important. And I can just replace them all. Okay, cool. All right. Credits earned. Every class is either worth 1 credit or a half credit. Again, that gets spit out by Admin Plus, as well as letter grade gets spat out by Admin Plus. Score is not something that's absolutely needed, but so we don't necessarily put it in. But what is needed is if they completed it or it is currently in progress. So student ID, course ID, grade level taken is recommended along with course status. This term is recommended, and we just like to throw these in as well with the letters grade earned. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and then I'm going to click and save as a CSV file. So I'm just going to find the place where I want to put it. I'm going to put it in my downloads. I do encourage you to stay organized, though, and put this somewhere. All the other ones. Semester 1. Upload, we'll call it. Go ahead and click save on that. That's to put you through all these forms. So now we're going to go over here to Naviance. To get to the upload or the import, data import from our Naviance screen, once we sign in, we're going to click setup. Data import, all on the left side. And then here under data import, we're going to click import student course data. From here, we can put a nice description. We'll put sophomore, 2015 upload. We're going to choose our file now. So go back to wherever you save this. I'm going to put mine in my downloads. Let's see if I can get it to pop up. There it is. Sophomore's upload. Make sure it's a CSV so you can kind of look at this icon. CSV. We do have headers, so make sure you check yes on that, and then we want to load it into Naviance so we can analyze it. We're going to click continue here. Here's just making sure that everything's mapped together. So in our Excel spreadsheet, it says student ID. It's talking about the student ID for the Naviance file. Course ID, grade level taken is grade level. You can see those are all required. Term, course number, course name, teacher, credits earned, grade letter, grade awarded. Those are the same ones. And course status and status are the same. So we're going to go ahead and click continue on that. So this is what I'm talking about with teacher names. These are all the teachers that we have listed in Naviance, and this is what those teachers read in our Excel file. So making sure we couldn't put parenthesis Coco here because it can only take so many characters. Just keep that in mind, and notice if you do have new teachers to put in there, it's a semicolon that separates it there. But the other thing we want to look at is complete and in progress. This is the possible values that we map together, and just make sure everything looks right. We'll click continue on there. And so right now we're in progress. So I hope this all works. Shouldn't take very long. I'm going to click to refresh this page. And excellent. Records 654 have been uploaded. So we're going to view this log. A couple things that are here. Notice the teachers did not necessarily go over nicely for whatever reason. That's something we can go back and look at. If you have any questions, you can go search Naviance help support, and it should be able to help you there.